go over how to build a web form in Vasion Automate. When you're signed into your admin portal, select Forms on the side rail. In order to build a form, you first have to create an object. An object allows you to categorize the different fields that you'll later add to your form. To create a new object, select New Object in the top right, give it a name. Now you can add the fields to your object. You can click Add Field in the top right, assign a label to your field, and then select whatever type you want to use. We have different options like a text box, drop down if maybe the client or user is selecting a state. They can type in a date, email address, use a checkbox for maybe an answer selection to a question. In addition, for each field type at the bottom, we have different settings. You can hide the value. You can make it mandatory that they fill this in on the form, or you can mark it if maybe it contains PII data. Then click Create. Once you've created all your fields, you can view them at the bottom. You can move fields up or down on the page using these arrows on the right, or you can edit or delete the existing field. Now that you have all your fields created, let's build the form. Select Forms at the top, New Form. First, you have to select your form type. You can upload an existing PDF file, or you can build a web form from scratch. You can also select Wizard, which allows you to build a web form that has different pages. A good example of when to use this is if a lot of information is required for the user to fill out. Instead of scrolling on one long big page, you can organize the information they need to fill in tabs or different pages. Now you can start adding the fields to your web form. Over on the left-hand side, you have Basic, Advanced, and Object fields. It's important to note that the data inside of the Basic and Advanced fields is not retained and collected for future use in workflows or signature, as opposed to the object fields that you had previously created. Let's start with adding a column to the form. Once you have your columns in place, you can then add other fields inside of the column. So here we can add the address, first name, last name, etc. Once you've added all your fields on the document, you can preview to see what a published version of it would look like. Now it's time to configure the settings for your form. First, we have lookup configuration. A lookup gives you the ability to use a piece of data, such as a social security number, to retrieve other fields that exist in the database, like first name, last name, address, or date of birth. The reason you would use this is if someone previously submitted a form with that data, and we have it existing in the database, you can easily reference it later. You can allow file uploads and attachments below and select the location where you want those documents to be stored. Require user signature, submit anonymously, and generate a form PDF. Down at the bottom, you have form access. You can individually assign users and groups who can edit the form, or you can allow the form to be publicly accessible if maybe it's being published on a website for anyone to submit it. When you're done configuring your settings, click Save. Now let me show you what a completed web form looks like and how the user experience is. On the published form, you'll have the Run Lookup button at the bottom of the form. You can use Social Security, like I am in this example, to pull additional information about the member. When we click Run Lookup, you'll see the top half populates with phone number, state, last name. All of this existed in the database. The member can continue filling out the form with their information. Down at the bottom, a signature is required upon submission. The member can draw their signature or type it, and then attach files if needed. Click Sign and Submit. Agree to the consumer disclosure. And now that form submission could either kick off a workflow or be stored in the native Vasion storage component or a third-party cloud provider that we'll cover later.